now. This is 3 kilos of stockfish, fresh stockfish, fresh stockfish. You can get it in your supermarket, and if you live around me, you can get it in micro supermarket. That place they sell wholesales and things are cheap. If you buy wholesales and you have freezer to store them, you will be able to enjoy uh, the cheapness of it. So you can see this. I'm going to be using this to scrape the outer parts. Some of them do have and some don't. So it's a nice time in this public holiday. Let me make a good use of my time. Actually, when you're working and you have family to feed, this is a good thing for you to bulk cook. If you want to really know what your family eats, it's a good time. Just bulk cook. Put it in the freezer, especially when you have a place where there is light. Mm, that's the advantage we have, just the light. Bulk cook and put it in the freezer so that you'll be able to feed your family and know what goes into their mouth, what they eat. This fresh stockfish does not have a lot of dirt in, so we'll be trying it in my. So the next thing is I'm going to get them cut. I'm cutting them small so that they can get dry in time. So you see that even the inside is removed. So I'm going to put in salt. I'm only putting in my salt generously in it. I'm not frying. I'm going to be roasting them in my oven. So this will go into my oven for 45 minutes. So I'm going to put my oven in 250 and I'm going to put it on air grill. So for an hour, for 45 minutes. So I'm done with that. So I'm checking in on the fish. We are having a little more. So I'm going to turn it over and come back.